welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I post on Wednesdays and Saturdays at 6 PM Great British Time. Today I am joined by my niece and nephew. My nephew is not going to be joining in on the jewellery making, but my niece and I did this on holiday with my sister, so her mum, and we enjoyed it that much that we are going to do some more today. So myself and my niece Abigail are going to show you now what we have brought from Hobbycraft and from, I think it was the bead shop, online to create these products or these jewellery bits. So I will turn the camera round now and we will show you what we have brought to make the product. So I have had a kit since the age of about 6. My dad flew to Felix for work and he brought me my first jewellery making kit then, and I've adapted and grown to that throughout the years. And we've just been to Hobbycraft now, and Abigail has brought some stuff to start her own collection. She is 6'2", so obviously you'll need an adult's help if you are a child, but if not, if you're an adult, go ahead. So I've obviously got the tools that Abigail hasn't, so Abigail was too young for them, so I will be helping her too. Their faces can't be on camera, so you'll see Abigail's hand and probably the back of her head, but other than that and her voice, but other than that you will not see it. And again, Alfie may be in it a little bit. He's making a Crayola robot for his iPad, which he's brought with him too, so you may see a little bit of that, but this main video is jewellery making because I know you loved my jewellery I made from my recent vlog at Potter's. So let's begin. So if you didn't watch the vlog, I'll leave it in the link down below if you do want to, but this is my bracelet and this is Abigail's, and we're going to show you now what I got and what Abigail got. So Abigail is going to show you now what she got. So the first thing she got,
this is my pot I got first.
So this is a pot of beads. It's £2.50, fill the whole pot. So that will do more than one bracelet, necklace, whatever.
And this wire.
Wire, yeah, this is memory wire, which makes it stay in the place of that. So wire, again, that will do more than one bracelet.
That is charms. Those are charms.
Yeah.
And these are charm butterflies.
Butterflies, yeah. And then the last thing that we got is
a pot with you can put all your
bits in. So she's going to fill that now before we start, and then I'll show you my stuff. So this is my craft box, but when I was Abigail's age I started with the little one, so that's why we got her that. I've got this, which is the findings kit, which I got from the bead store, which has just got like the earrings bits to it and stuff like that. I got a bumblebee charm. Then this wire is memory wire too, but it is for necklaces. Yeah, 1 minute. Okay. Then this is the tubing that we used on our bracelets, so I got that too. I think it's slightly bigger, but that's fine for necklaces. Then I got these white and blue flower beads. I've got a pot that was £2.50 as well, full of all different colour ones, blues, purples and pinks and silvers. I got these charms that say made with love. I've got flowers, and then I've got small silver beads too. And then I've got obviously my pliers and stuff that Abigail hasn't got. She'll need when she's older, but for now it's what we will. So I'm going to start with a necklace. So is Abigail. So we're going to measure out our wire for our neck. So it's going to be like a choker.
Hello, this is my colouring robot.
Yeah?
Not working.
It is. Push harder. So I know roughly one bit goes around my neck like a choker. Obviously Abigail's neck is smaller than mine, but literally just put it around your neck and measure it. So I know that is my neck. So I'm just going to get my pliers and snip it here. And then obviously that is my neck. So now we're going to measure around Abigail's because she's doing the same. And we'll do that now. So she's going to stand here so we can do it. So that is Abigail's, and we'll cut that now. So this is Abigail's and this is mine, and then you just literally want to take your round-ended pliers and apply to one end. This one's Abigail's, gonna have to remember which one's what. Take it at the end and then just bend it in so it makes a loop. So as you can see, that is like the loop, and that will go on the other end as well once Abigail has finished, and I'll do that on mine now, and then we'll do our beads. So we've both got the loops on the ends on one, and we're going to work out our pattern now using the silver ones and then our beads, and we'll go from there really on what our pattern will be like. But I can't wait to make this. So mine is going to have the bumblebee on it. We're not sure on Abigail's yet, but we'll work that out on the way. Obviously I have 2 pots of beads because this is from, possibly this is from wire making on other stuff. And I'm going to use my other beads too. But mine is going to really be bumblebee and like blue themed. So we'll show you as we go along. Abigail, would you like a made with love sign?
Pardon?
Would you like a made with love on yours?
Yeah.
Right, you need one of these then. But you might want to put it on at the end, okay? Yeah. The other end. Don't put it on till the end.
So far I did this.
Good girl. Flying robot coming at you. Oh.
So these are my planes, and that one. This makes noise like this.
So this is mine. I just need to finish the end off, and the middle has got the bumblebee, and I've gone for the blue theme. I really actually think I'll make another one just using these because I think they're really pretty and they're kind of like vintage, old-fashioned. So now I'm just going to curl this end over too.
I might like a bracelet.
Yeah, would you like to make a bracelet?
A necklace.
Yeah, you can make a necklace. Would you like to?
Boy.
You can make a necklace. Doesn't matter that he's a boy. Would you like to?
Yes.
Okay, we'll measure your neck then and we'll make you one.
My brother's going to make a necklace. Yeah, because look at my hand.
So this is mine and I'm going to put it on now to show you. I've just curved the ends on both.
Oh.
And it just sits like that. What do you think of it?
Good.
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
And that's actually really comfy to sit, actually. So Abigail's just finishing hers, and now Alfie would like to make one, so we're going to make one for Alfie, and then we'll be back to show you the finished product at the end.
And this is mine.
So this is my necklace. So we've all got chokers, and Alfie's even made some too, and then the little two have done bracelets too. So this is mine.
This is my necklace. And this is my bracelet. Do you like it? Yes, thank you. I'm making necklace and a bracelet. Do you like it? Yes!
So that's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. Put your thumb in out. Thumbs up. Please comment down below what jewellery you would like to make, and please also subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.